Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log in MetaMask with a private key. This method carries significant risks, so proceed with extreme caution. Your private key grants full access to your funds, making it a prime target for malicious actors. Only use this option if you completely trust the source of the key and understand the potential vulnerabilities. For enhanced security, consider using a hardware wallet, which keeps your private key offline and protected. First, open your MetaMask extension in your web browser. You'll find its icon, usually a fox head, in the top right corner of your browser window. Once open, click on the circular account icon, also located in the top right of the MetaMask interface. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, select the Import Account option to begin the process of adding your account using a private key. After selecting Import Account, you'll be presented with a choice for the import type. Make sure to choose Private Key from the available options. Next, you'll see a field where you need to enter your private key. It's crucial to carefully paste or type your private key into this designated area. This string of characters is highly sensitive, so double-check it for any errors or missing characters before moving forward. Once you have accurately entered your private key, simply click the Import button to finalize the process. MetaMask will then add this account to your wallet, making it accessible alongside any existing accounts you may have. Remember, your private key is the ultimate access to your funds. Always keep it extremely secure, never share it with anyone, and consider storing it offline for maximum protection against digital threats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.